And the most exciting thing is a gated shifter from Viper machine here. I did open this. We'll do a little unboxing, if you will. Seems like everybody does those. Wants to see exactly what you get in each box. So I'll do that, but I'm pretty pumped about this. What we have now is just the, stock shifter. And why that's an issue, let me pop this door open here so I can get in there, is when you take off here, you're gonna go back and you're headed into high. So you're just coming back here, and if you need to switch to reverse real quick, you're flying up here. Well, did I hit neutral? Did I hit reverse? Did I hit park? Okay, now I'm bouncing in the rocks and I'm going from low to reverse, and you're feeling these gears, and you're trying not to go in the wrong gear. A gated shifter is gonna prevent you from doing that. It's gonna allow you, it's got little detents, and I'll show you that. So I'm pretty pumped about that. Plus it looks super trick. All right, so we'll get to it. Set you up on a tripod here. All right, we'll get started here. First thing we'll show you is the shifter, because it is just absolutely awesome. Like I said, I did open this up. You got yourself a little instruction sheet. Nice sticker. This came packaged really well. They come unfinished, but I elected to have this powder coated black. This is the shift plate, if you will. And you can see this allows you to go from park, reverse, and neutral very easily. When you shift over, you've got reverse and low locked in here, and then the middle here lets you go into high. The other nice thing about it is there's a shift boot on the bottom here, which will only allow heat to come through here. I mean, I'm sure this will be warm down here, but in the stock Polaris, there's none of this. I mean, it just, heat from the tunnel just pours right in there. So I'm pretty pumped about that. This is the meat and potatoes of the shifter. So essentially, this is the shifter as it goes in the machine, and you can kind of see it's got a nice spring in here. This part is exposed, so this will go through like that and allow you to shift very, very firmly and positively. Normally the shifter comes this color here. Again, I went with the black. I think it looks really, really nice. And then my machine's orange. I asked them if they could do this top guy. This is the top of the handle in orange to kind of match the machine. I think it's going to look pretty awesome. So, okay, so I did not show an install on this. It's 100% my fault. The install went fine. I do want to thank the Polaris engineers for the design of the center console, which I'm not going to show you yet because I don't want you to see the Viper machine shift gate that I installed yet. I am going to show you that, but getting the center console out in a Pro XP4 in particular, I don't have that much trouble with the Pro XP, just a two-seater. I mean, it's not like simple or anything, but it's not hard. The four-seater is, it's a nightmare. I think whoever came up with this, I'm sure they're a good person. I'm sure they have, they're a lot of good qualities. But I'm just saying they don't off-road. There's no way they've actually owned this machine and took it apart, because if they did and they think it's easy, I invite you to come to my shop and show me how this is convenient and easy. You get bloody knuckles. It's a pain in the ass. And I think you need to go back to school, Polaris engineers. There's just easier way to do shit than this. Anyway, that being said, I did take apart the center console, created some new swear words. I'm going to put them on my Urban Dictionary page. But anyway, once I got it apart and installed the new shifter, it went super simple. It's literally a matter of take the old shifter out, put the new shifter in, adjust your cable, and you're done. I did not do a great job of adjusting my cable at the shifter. But if you go back here to the back of the machine, this is why you'll see I did not do a great job adjusting my shifter, because I'm bottomed out down here now. Better get a light. Hold on. So this is your shift cable. This is your linkage, if you've never seen that. Hold on. Alright, so this is your shift cable linkage. I'm bottomed out, but it's shifting perfect, so I don't care. But you have all this play. Ideally, you want to be in the middle, and I should change that. But this is the new shift cable, new shift gate, working perfect. I have a rule, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I'll fix it later. And the reason I broke that shift cable is it was binding up, and eventually I just wore the shit out. Not a fun job. Again, the job itself isn't hard. It's that taking that center console apart. That's just an absolute nightmare. All right, long story short, I got the Viper machine shift gate in, and it's freaking amazing. So this is it. It makes it easy to go from park to reverse, neutral. I don't know if you can see that little detent there, but you know you're positively in neutral. Low. So if you're bouncing on rocks and you're trying to shift between reverse and low, boom, you hit the gate. That's what they mean by gated shifter. So you can go back and forth between reverse and low very quickly. I mean, you can do it with the normal shifter. Don't get me wrong. It's not like you can go faster. But now I know I'm in reverse and I can't go into park. I can go into low and I can't go into high. So that's what I mean by detent. And then the same thing. Boom, I'm in high, reverse. I can't go to park. Slam it down to high. That's super convenient. Hatfield McCoy, bunch of switchbacks. So you're coming in there, you're cruising along in high, and bam, you need to go to reverse. Bam, you need to take off into high, and you're not searching for gears. Want to go in park? Boom, it's over. So, I mean, yeah, it looks great. I'm not trying to take anything away from that. I definitely opted for the black because I thought it looked better. I wanted this little orange knob because it looked better. I get it. You just wanted more bling for your machine. Guilty. However, the machined part itself, functional, super happy with it. They did a great job. Can't recommend this product enough. I mean, it looks great, functions great.